The Judiciary of Bahrain. The Judiciary of Bahrain is the court system of Bahrain. It is divided into three branches: the civil law courts, the criminal law courts, and the Sharia law courts. The civil law courts deal with all commercial, civil, as well as disputes related to the personal status of non-Muslims. The Sharia law courts have jurisdiction over all issues related to the personal status of Muslims. Judges of the middle and lower courts are nominated by the Bahrain Supreme Judicial Council and appointed by decree by the King of Bahrain. The Supreme Judicial Council, chaired by the King, appoints the members of the Constitutional Court. To secure renewal of these contracts, judges may be prone to consider it necessary to take decisions not unfavorable to the wishes or interest of the government. History of the Judiciary of Bahrain. The first regular court in Bahrain was established in 1922. The judiciary was divided into civil judiciary and a Sharia judiciary. The highest courts are Court of Cassation, consists of the chairman and 3 judges. Supreme Court of Appeal consists of the chairman and 3 judges. Constitutional Court consists of the president and 6 members. High Sharia Court of Appeal court sitting includes the president and at least 1 judge. Court of Cassation. The Court of Cassation was established in 1989 as the Supreme Court of Appeal. It serves as the final court of appeal for all civil, commercial, or criminal matters. The judges for the court are appointed and removed by royal decree. The current Chief Justice of Bahrain and President of the Court of Cassation is Khalifa bin Rashid Al Khalifa, cousin of King Hamad, and the Prime Minister, and a member of the Al Khalifa ruling family of Bahrain. National Safety Court. The National Safety Court is a special military court that was set up in March 2011 to try protesters, opposition leaders, right activists, and people who supported or are perceived as supporting the Bahrain uprising. A military judge presides over the court along with 2 civilian judges, all of them appointed by the Bahrain Defense Force Commander-in-Chief Marshal Khalifa bin Ahmed Al Khalifa, a cousin of King Hamad and the Prime Minister and a member of Al Khalifa royal family. The cases are prosecuted by the military public prosecutor called Colonel Yusuf Rashid Fleifel. The National Safety Court has been heavily criticized by international human rights organizations for trying civilians in a military court and for the lack of transparency and due process. Human Rights Watch has described the court as a travesty of justice, while Amnesty International has described it as a shame and a parody of justice. In June 2011, King Hamad announced that all trials related to the protest would be transferred from the National Safety Court to the normal civilian courts. However, he backtracked on August 18, issuing a decree which makes it clear that the new measures do not apply to all arrested protesters. Thank you, viewers.